Prime Minister Modi takes stock of COVID-19 situation across the country. Says India is self-sufficient and has started producing PPEs and ventilators. Also says COVID-19 shouldn't be stigmatized and assures that testing will be ramped up in the country. Highest deaths witnessed in the last 24 hours, with India reporting 2,003 deaths and 10,974 new COVID-19 cases. The total number of positive cases in the country now stands at 3,54,065, including 1,55,227 active cases. 1,86,935 people have been discharged and 11,903 deaths. India has stepped up testing capacity significantly for COVID-19 to 3 lakh samples per day, with a network of 907 laboratories, 659 in the government sector, and the rest of them are private labs which have been spread across the entire nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be interacting with chief ministers from 17 other states, and the meeting is underway. Modi will be reviewing the situation in each of these states and will be discussing the future course of actions to be taken in the respective states.
मैं देश को भरोसा दिलाना चाहता हूं, हमारे जवानों का बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा.
PM Modi hails soldiers who lost their lives at Galwan Valley, says the sacrifice of the soldiers will not go in vain, observes 2-minute silence in the memory of brave hearts, also says India wants peace but if provoked further will hit back. Congress interim president Sonia Gandhi addresses the nation, says the sacrifice of the 20 jawans has shaken the conscience of the nation and pays tribute to all the brave hearts. Also prays for the families of the martyrs and says Almighty will give them strength to face the fate. In order to discuss the situation in the India-China border areas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called for an all-party meeting at 5 in the evening on the 19th of June. Presidents of various political parties would take part in this virtual meeting. Protests erupt across the country over the Sino-India standoff. People under the banner of an NGO, Vishal Bharat Sansthan, burned Chinese flag and effigy of Chinese President Xi Jinping. While people in Chitradurga were burning effigies of Xi Jinping, protesters burned tires and pictures of the Chinese president. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh holds meeting with 3 service chiefs and the Chief of Defence Staff. He also spoke to External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar about the current situation. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi questions PM Modi's silence on the fierce clash between India and Chinese troops in eastern Ladakh and said that the country needs to know what has happened.